client entertainment. HMRC don't actually think you need to entertain clients or go and do anything in order to generate business. So let's look at the impact of what the tax implications are for having client entertainment. If you think about a cost, so if you think about your limited company, typically you'll have salary here, you'll have expenses here, and you'll have dividends here. You've got two choices for client entertainment. Invariably, I disagree with revenue. I think you have to go out and talk to people, otherwise you can't engage in conversations, notwithstanding Zoom. Option number one, you just don't bother claiming it at all. So effectively it comes out of your salary here, which is fully taxed, fully costed, so you're effectively paying from net income. The other option is to have it sat kind of here, where it's called a disallowable allowable expense. Now let's explain what that really means. What it means is it's allowable for you as the employee down here to claim that expense against the business. So if you were a normal employee and you had a £100 lunch for coming and taking me out for a beer, I'd enjoy that. That £100 goes in here, goes as an expense. So that's you getting reimbursed for that cost. However, as a company, you're not allowed to claim that as a tax deductible expense. So it's disallowable here for the corporation tax return. So if you then did have your £100 down here, effectively if you paid it through taxed income, you'll then have to add probably 40% tax on top of that. If you paid it here through as a corporate expense directly through the business, it's still going to cost you £100, but rather than coming from post-tax income at a higher rate, you probably pay 19% tax as a company. So really the main driver here is if you're a higher rate taxpayer and you do have to entertain clients, put your client entertainment through the business, but just understand it's disallowable for the end of your corporation tax return. Client entertainment.